37 West 2 to 1. Medium clear, St. Dennis.
That's right, 438 guys, stop single. You know, with 031 on 2. They're going 2 to 1. Okay, I'm doing experimental, guys. Oh, he's moving. He's wasting no time. He's in a stone! Ah.
438 Q031 on train.
Do anything at once. Sorry, guys. Yep, one ticket unit. We got the crew.
CSX Q031-09 locomotive 737 westbound, one track, got an approach limited. Mary St. 438, looks good all the way with a marker. Pose in place, y'all take. I appreciate it, look at you.
What's up, Noah? What's up? What's up, man? What's up?
Nothing much. I was just seeing how you were. I was just seeing how you were. That's it.
Okay. He just said clear post limited on Mary St. for this train. So he's a good start one today.
This is XPC, trying to fast checks to last over.
Huh?
What should be the next one?
438 is right there. Yeah, I know he's down at Port at Mary St. He should be right here. 49 is down there somewhere.
I may go down to the
Yeah, yeah, on the side of it, it's fine, but in it, I'm kind of freaking out. It's freaking me out.
I understand.
Yeah, I have nothing happy to you guys. That's all. I worry.
Alright.
I worry. So.
I understand.
You're a good kid. I don't care. I don't really have to kid says about you. You're a good kid.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah, we got the Norfolk Southern guy. We got Noah. We got CSX EMD Welfare. Andre. Baltimore Highway Road.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 6.96. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 5.92. End of transmission.
Wow, good size.